Hello, Sudoku friends. Welcome today in the additional of today's newspaper of Thursday, April the 8th, 2021. We have here Sudoku with 1 star, Sudoku with 2 stars, 3 stars, 4 stars. Then we have a tectonic number 2, binary puzzle number 1, and binary puzzle number 2. Total of 8 extra Sudokus. But first we will solve this 3 stars Sudoku. And this one will be a number 2601. And before I start, I always count the printed digits. Well, let me count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Plus 5, 17. Plus 3 is 20. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 25 total of printed digits. Alright. So let's get started. This column. Second column, 4 missing numbers. 2 of those missing numbers are the 6 and the 5. We see here the 6 and the 5 in this big square, so no 6 and the 5 in those 2 boxes. The 6 and the 5 goes in these 2 boxes. We see there 5, no 5 there. 5 should be here, and the 6 goes there. 2 numbers left in this second column for the numbers 7 and 4. We have a 7 there, no 7 there. 7 should be here, and the 4 goes there. Then 3 missing numbers in the middle row. One of the missing number is a 9. We see here 9 in this big square. So no 9s in those 2 boxes. 1 box left for the 9. Should be there. 5 in this row, 5 in the second row. So in the third row, the only 2 places for the 5 should be here or there. We see there 5, no 5 there, 5 should be there. Then 3. Yeah. How about the number 4 missing numbers in this first row. One of the missing numbers is 3. We see here 3 in this big square, so no 3 in those 2 boxes. So the 3 could be here, could be there. Well, another 3 there, so no 3 here. The only place for the 3 should be there. 3 missing numbers now in the first row. One of the missing numbers is 9. We see here 9, so no 9 there. Here 9, no 9 there. The only place for the 9 should be there. 2 numbers left. The 4 and the 6 are missing. I cannot fill this yet. Need to wait. The 4 and the 6. And now, let me see. 2 numbers left in the middle row for the numbers 2 and 7. Let me mark those 2 boxes, 2 and 7. Alright. 5 in this row, 5 in the middle row, so the row above. The only 2 places for the 5 should be here or there. We see there 5, no 5 there, 5 should be there. We have a pair, 4 and a 6 in this column. 4 and a 6 in the second column. So in the third column, the 4 and the 6 goes in these 2 boxes as a pair, 4 and a 6. So what are the other two numbers in this big square? Those two numbers should be the 7 and 8. 7 and 8 are missing. We see there and 8, no 8 there. 8 should be here. And the 7 goes there. Oh, wait. Alright. So, and we have a pair, I believe. Let me see. Yeah. We have a 7 and a 2 in the third row. The 7 and a 2 in the first row. So in the second row, the 7 and a 2 goes in these two boxes as a pair. And look, here also a pair. Alright, 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 missing numbers, okay. 7 and the 2. 4 and the 6. Okay, 4, 6 and the 1. The 9 should be here. 9, okay. 8. Alright. 4. Okay. 4. Let me think. 6. 7 in this column, 7 in that column. So the column between only place for the 7 should be there. 3 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 7. We see here 7, no 7 there. Here 7, no 7 there. The only place for the 7 should be there. 2 numbers left in this big square. The 1 and the 3 are missing. I cannot fill this yet. Here also the 1 and the 3 is missing. Okay. 1, 2, 3 is missing. 4 is missing. 3 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 4. We see therefore no 4 in those two boxes. 1 box left for the 4 should be there. 2 boxes left in this big square for the numbers 3 and 9. We have a 9 there. No 9 there. 9 should be here and a 3 goes there. 4 in this row. 4 in the middle row. So the row above. The only place for the 4 should be there. 1 number left in this row for the number 1. 1 number left in this column for the number 3. Alright. 1 number left in this big square for the number 3. Alright. 2 numbers left in this big square for the numbers 1 and 6. I cannot fill this yet. Let me mark those 2 boxes. Then 9. 7. Alright. 3 in this row, 3 in the second row. So in the third row, the only 2 places for the 3 should be here or there. We see there 3, no 3 there, 3 should be there. 3 in this column, 3 in the middle column, so the column next, the only 2 places for the 3 should be here or there. We see there 3, no 3 there. Only place for the 3 should be there. 3 in this row, 3 in the row below. So in the last row, only 3 places for the 3 should be here or there. We see there 3, no 3 there. Here 3, no 3 there. The only place for the 3 should be there. And all the 3s are used. I can see. This is number 1, number 3. Alright. Done. 9. Alright, 4 missing numbers now in this big square. 2 of those missing numbers are the 9 and the 4. We have a 9 and a 4 in this column, so no 9 and a 4 in these 2 boxes. The 9 and the 4 goes in those 2 boxes, 9 and 4. Well, we have a 4 here, so no 4 there. 4 should be here, and the 9 goes there. Alright, now we have a 4 there, so this box can't be 4 anymore. That box should be a 4, and this box should be a 6. Alright. 1 box left in the first row for the number 6 is missing. 2 boxes left in this big square for the numbers 1 and 6. 1 and 6, we see there 6, no 6 there, 6 should be here. And the 1 goes there. 1 box left in this column for the number 6. 6 in this row, 6 in the row below. So in the last row, the only 2 places for the 6 should be here. There we see there 6, no 6 there, 6 should be here. 6 in this column, 6 in the column next. So the last column, the only place for the 6 should be there. I've marked those 1 and a 6, so this should be the 6, and all the 6s are used. I can see digit number 2, number 6. 1 box left in this row for the number 1, and then 2 boxes left in this column for the numbers 2 and 5. Yes, 2 and 5. You see here 5, no 5 there. 5 should be here, and a 2 goes there. So we have a 5 in this row, 5 in the last row, so there will be 3. The only 3 places for the 5 should be here, here, or there. We see there 5, we see there 5, so no 5 in those 2 boxes. 1 box left for the 5 should be there. Then 3 missing numbers in the last row. One of the missing numbers is 9. We see here 9, so no 9 there. Here, so a 9, so no 9 there. The only place for the 9 should be there. 2 boxes left in the last row for the numbers 1 and 8. We see here 1, no 1 there. 1 should be here, and 8 goes there. 2 boxes left in this big square for the numbers 2 and 8. I cannot fill this yet. Need to wait. 2 and 8. Those 2 boxes in this big square. The numbers 8 and 1. I cannot wait. Cannot fill this yet. Need to wait. Then. How about the number 4, 9, 9. 1, 4, 9. Yes, 3 missing numbers in this row. Those missing numbers are the 1, the 9, and the 4. 194, 194. And look, we have a 1 and a 9 here in this column. So no 1 and a 9 in this box. The 1 and the 9 goes in these 2 boxes. Let me mark those 2 boxes. So 1 box left in this big square for the number 4. Alright. So we have a 4 in this column, 4 in the last column, so the column between. The only 2 places for the 4 should be here. There we see there 4. No 4 there, 4 should be there. And all the 4s are used. I can see. Digit number 3, number 4. Alright. Here we have a pair, 7 and a 2 in this column. So the other pair should be 1 and a 9. 1 and a 9. And look, we have a 9 there. So no 9 there. 9 should be here. And the 1 goes there. Alright. Now we have a 1 here. So this box can't be 1 anymore. That box should be a 1. And this box should be an 8. Now we have an 8 there. So this box can't be 8 anymore. That box should be an 8. And this box should be a 2. Alright. 1 box left in this row for the number 7. 7 is missing. Now we have a 7 here. So this box can't be 7 anymore. That box should be a 7. And this box should be a 2. Now we have a 7 there, so this box can't be 7 anymore. That box should be a 7, and this box should be a 2. Alright, and one box left in this big square for the number 1. 2 boxes left in this big square for the numbers 2 and 9. We have a 9 there, no 9 there. 9 should be here, and the 2 goes there. Finished in 15 minutes. Alright, great Sudoku with 3 stars. I like this one. Do you think so? Thumbs up, otherwise thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file, so you can make it or solve it by yourself. Thank you again for watching, and I will see you later with the 4 stars Sudoku, our second Sudoku in this additional. See you then. Bye bye for now.